We are in Algebra 1 class doing a pumpkin bomb experiment.
For Halloween, we had to put rubber bands on a pumpkin to try to get it to explode.
And what better way to cap off Halloween in a math high school class, as we are using mathematical concepts to actually make the pumpkins explode.
We are talking about what variables affect the explosion, such as height of the pumpkin, circumference, or diameter. The students are going to collect their data and analyze that using scatter plots.
We are putting rubber bands on pumpkins and seeing how many rubber bands will it take for it to explode. The constant pressure of the rubber bands on the pumpkin in the middle is actually around the circumference is going to make it explode. We watched a video on this and it's supposed to go in half. So we're going to see if that actually does happen and if it just kind of goes like this and not like this.
We're basically seeing how the circumference of and the diameter and the length affect how many rubber bands it takes to get the pumpkin to explode. It's based on our pumpkin, which is the circumference is 41 centimeters. A few of our predictions are between 100 and 212.
We are up to about
150.
My prediction was higher because based on the graph we were shown, the results of other people's explosions took more rubber bands around and their pumpkin was around the same size.
We have 200 something and it hasn't exploded yet. 258 and it hasn't gone kablamo yet, but we're trying to make it go.
we predict it's going to do about 430, about 4.
You're starting to notice the bulge, like the rubber bands are starting to indent and the pumpkin is starting to bulge out.
This is 2.
It's shaking. It looks like it's shaking. It literally looks like it's vibrating. Oh my god! Oh my god!
See what happens.
Alright, figure out how many.
After 653 rubber bands, it finally popped and it hit the ceiling.
After exploding pumpkins, the students have even more questions than they started with. Does the type of pumpkin matter? Does the type of produce matter? How about a cantaloupe or a honeydew?
It's fun because you're blowing things up. Yeah.
It was fun.
Yeah, it was fun to see the pumpkins explode.
We went in under guessing by a lot, but in the end it came out and really just everyone put all the work that they could have into it, and it was a really good experience.